just put a lot of sugar because I thought you would like that.
Do you want to do pretzel rods, pretzel sticks, pretzel twists?
Pretzel rods. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel.
What are we making today?
Chocolate covered pretzels.
That sounds good. What we've got here is 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 12 ounces of white chocolate chips and red and green sugar and pretzel rods. So yeah, we're using the double boiler method to melt the chocolate. We want this water very hot, but not boiling. It's starting to melt.
I like the white ones better.
You like the white ones better than the chocolate ones? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt the chocolate ones, and we're gonna dip the pretzels in the chocolate, and we're gonna coat them, and then we're gonna melt the white chocolate, and we're gonna do a design over them, and then we're gonna sprinkle red and green sugar on them. It's gonna be very hot, so don't touch it once you grab a pretzel.
You're gonna put it way up top?
Oh, not the whole thing. We'll go up to, I don't know, what do you think right there? We'll just...
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay. You want to do it, or do you want me to do it?
I want you to do it. I don't want to do it because I just don't want to do it because I don't do it. Remember, I was too hard on those cookies, and I don't want to do it roll it into balls, and I don't want to.
Yeah. You said you want to do green first?
Yeah. I don't know if I could do it.
Well, just try. If you put too much, it's fine. Well, just want to...
Oh, I did it. I put a little bit.
You can put more than that if you want.
I did.
Once you like go to about here,
I'm excited to eat the sprinkles that are on there.
the rest we'll do with the red or the pink.
That's pink. So that's my favorite color, pink.
Is that the ones you want to eat? You want to eat the pink ones?
Yeah.
Those look pretty good though, huh?
Just put more sprinkles on these broken ones.
What color?
Pink.
You can do it.
Oh, good. Does
Yeah,
that so
perfect.
good? Okay. Oops. Oopsie.
It's alright.
It's okay. I like the pink sprinkles, but not the green ones.
Okay, I'm gonna melt about this many.
I just want to eat the pink ones that are cold.
Well, we gotta throw them in the refrigerator for a little while and let the chocolate set again. Alright, this white chocolate is just about done.
Dada,
Mm-hmm.
that looks like milk.
It's white chocolate.
Oh, I know. That's enough.
You sure?
Yeah, it looks like a cupcake. Cupcake.
Well, so what we're gonna do is this.
Is that frosting?
It's white chocolate.
Oh. Why you put it on top of the green ones and pink ones?
Because it's how we're finishing these.
And then we can eat these broken ones?
Well, they gotta cool, but after they cool, yep.
Could eat them?
It's this chocolate's not that hot. Do you wanna
Eat one?
do this? Do you wanna decorate with the white chocolate?
Yes.
Yes, you do?
Yeah.
Okay. Just finish up these ones that are... Okay, this is the trick because we're switching over to Japan. Okay. Do you want to grab this bag for me and finish decorating these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it on the pink ones.
Take the bag out of my hand. You can take it. You got to stand though so that you can decorate these. You see what I'm doing, right?
I know what you're doing.
So take the bag and just, you kind of got to squeeze on it a little bit to, just a little.
I put it a little.
You're doing very good.
Put the
You want to get the rest?
I can't do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just dropping it on the pan.
It's okay. You were doing good.
Oh, I just
The way that Daddy does it.
I just ruined my pink ones, but I did a good job. But on these ones, I did a good job on these ones.
Yeah, you did a good job. You did a great job. Daddy just has a little more experience, so I mean these look great. That's all I'm saying. So you did a fantastic job.
On my little ones?
On all of them.
Poor naughty. Don't turn it into white because we already turned it into chocolate.
That's right. Well, should we put more sprinkles on these now?
Yeah. Wait, I want to do these ones. All right. Bring this over me. Good job. Ooh, pretty. Ooh. Oh, see.
It's okay.
Then just put mine on this way.
Sure.
Ooh. Oops.
It's fine. It's not all gonna stick. Put it wherever you want. There you go. Perfect. Good job.
Okay.
High five. All right, are you excited for chocolate covered pretzels?
Yeah.
Cheers, honey. All right, which one did you want? You want this one?
This one.
Oh, you're gonna take the big one?
Yeah.
Cheers. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good.
Chocolate is good.
What are we making next time?
Maybe chocolate chip.
Banana chocolate chip muffins?
Uh-huh.
All right, join us next time for banana chocolate chip muffins. Thanks for joining us.
I like the ones with pink and I like the green ones. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.